What is up, guys? This is Monster of Tech here, back with another video. And in this video, we will be unboxing the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini. We will also be doing an iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing, but this is just the standard and mini. So new pull tabs, they are environmentally friendly, no more shrink wrap. So I'm going to take them off now. All right, that's the mini off and the standard. Right, so these are the new phones. Of course, on the box, you can see the diagonal cameras, and then lifting the box up, you can see the diagonal cameras right there. So it looks largely the same as last year's 12 mini, except the back is a little different. And lifting the 13, and this is the new Starlight color. So the aluminum rails look a little different than last year's 12, but it's still largely the same as the white. So now this is just looking at the rails. It's a little different color. So now we're going to take the plastic wrap off. All right, and that's the plastic wrap off of the 13 mini. You can see the smaller notch right there. And we're just going to put that back in there. So that is the 13 mini. Now we're going to move on to the full-size iPhone 13. All right, so there you can see the new notch. It's pretty nice. It's a lot smaller than last year's notch and the year before that. And that's a really nice upgrade for those of you who want to upgrade. So that is my iPhone 13 and 13 mini unboxing. This has been a Monster Tech video. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.